Hold on, give me a second, give me a second. Get your tiptoe. Oh, oh, please. Don't go here, little buddy.
Flush.
Ready, Gerald?
Yes.
Say, don't go here, little buddy.
Flush it.
You're funny, Gerald.
Flush it.
Alright, hold on. Hold on, once when I count to, wait, hold on. I'm not quite done yet. Give me a second. I'm not done yet. Give me a second, please. Actually, I know you're getting mad because I keep telling you to wait, but hold on.
Relax, okay?
Yeah. At least GR has patience, right, here?
Right.
Hold on. Hold on. Good job, Anthony. You're doing great.
Good
Hold on.
boy.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
China hearts.
So Laura's Sherry's card is won us.
Yeah.
Because she said that she's gonna try to win us. That she
What?
might win.
Say.
Hold on. Alright, made me count to 3 and then 1, 2, 3,
Hey,
now.